flex fuel. Don't bother looking at any other SUV. With our 5-day money-back guarantee, you can buy this Ford Escape with confidence. If you decide that the vehicle you purchased is not exactly what you wanted, you can return the vehicle up to 5 days after taking delivery without penalty. This is not an exchange policy. It is a true 5-day money-back return policy. We just have a limit of 500 miles on the vehicle from delivery. Looking for an outstanding deal on a terrific-looking 2012 Ford Escape? Well, we've got it. Large side windows provide clear visibility all around. Automobile Magazine reports Escape is better looking inside and out.